Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me for another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be utilizing a card that I loved very much. It was a Christmas card. I don't know what year it was, but it was a Christmas card. And I had saved it. It's from my daughter and at one of my daughters. And I wanted to create something different with it without throwing it because it was so pretty. Now, I started recording the video, but it looks like I had a video crash. But these two pieces were side by side, so that was just the front of the card. I thought these were really lovely words, so I wanted to preserve these and keep it, and then of course have this nice, pattern and the edging here on this side. At the point of going to get the backing on here, that's when my video went left because we're having bad weather. So hopefully we can continue from here without any other glitches. So with this here, I am gluing this on, as you can see, because I want to give this, some more, what's the word? To be more like sturdier. And then, of course, you'll have this pretty blue on the back. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut around this here so that I can still have the gold, but I can just go ahead and keep cutting down here. It's a little ticklish, but I'm coming around to it. I can always go back and just do a little fine tuning if needed on some edges. Okay, and this one. Okay, so I now have this here, and I also have the nice backing for it, which is really pretty. Okay, so I have preserved the words. I have that. Now, the next step I wanted to do was to turn it into a door hanger. Now, may I suggest this? If you want to get, you have something that can laminate this so you can preserve it more, I would suggest that. But let me go ahead and just run it through the Cuttlebug so that I can, show you the rest. Oh, before I do so, this I measured around the doorknob that I have. So I'm going to kind of, try to get it, I think that's where my conflict is. It's just getting the, the right size, I guess, to be able to hang through. But let's see. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I was able to use my Cuttlebug and go through this as quickly as possible. So when I cut out the pieces, I realized this is too wide open, and because again, I did not do this before I came, to videotape. So what I figured was the piece that I took out from here, what I was going to do was either do a couple of things. I was thinking I would get this, say around here, so you can still get that hook effect, or before you even cut it, maybe before you would, I had attached the two pieces, I could have used like ribbon and make a loop instead, so I can just kind of hang it. But let's see how this turns out if once I stick this on, and just see, that's how you kind of turn things, stuff into, what's the word, gems, however you want to call it actually. So I will go ahead and get it stuck around here. Now this, because of the slippery nature of the cardstock, not the cardstock, of the material, I kind of wanted to add a little more glue. Now this is not your classic, door hanger thingy dingy, but at least it's an option. So I think I have a close clip there that I use sometimes if I want to clamp stuff. So just let me make sure I get it where I need it to be, and then I'll go ahead and clamp it up. Okay, so I think I'll have it here. So this can still work. it can still go over the knob and then still have that extra to hang. So again, if you have a laminating machine, you can definitely go ahead and laminate this so you can keep it, you know, keepsake. And I would suggest laminating it first before you do anything else. In that way, if you're using a die cut, the laminating will already be in there and you can always, you know, do what you wish after that. Or like I mentioned, you can put ribbon, perhaps not put any holes in there, and just put ribbon between those two layers and just have it so you can hang either ribbon or anything that you want, really. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I shall see you guys next week. Bye.